Alright guys, today we're out here in Port Mansfield checking out a roof that we finished up this last week. We wanted to take a couple moments to talk to you guys about windstorm inspections in particular. So one of the things that we really try and focus on doing is making sure that all of our roofs pass windstorm inspection. So we had the windstorm inspector come out here about halfway through the shingle installation, so they were able to see what we were doing, not only the finished product, but able to see as we're installing the shingles that our nail patterns were correct, proper underlayment, and then all of your flashings as well. So it's really important to us that all of our roofs pass windstorm. Some of our clients are over here in Port Mansfield, right? So we're rated up for 120 mile per hour winds in this windstorm zone, which is inland 1. So there's a C word over starting on South Padre, then it goes to inland 1 and then inland 2. So pretty much if you live anywhere east of, let's just say, Weslaco, windstorm is a big consideration for you. You need to make sure that if you are on the market for a new roof, that the roof does pass windstorm. Preferably your roofing contractor or company should be able to provide you with the WPI 1, which is your Windstorm Certification. That gets you in processing, gets filed with the state basically, and then you can use that to get windstorm insurance. Not having windstorm insurance down here in South Texas is a really bad idea. Most insurance companies can provide you with pretty competitive rates. And just given that we have quite a few storms coming up this year, they're predicting a pretty active storm season. And even without an active storm season, just a couple weeks back, we had some pretty heavy gusts, I think up to about 70 miles an hour in Harlingen, that created a lot of damage throughout the city. A lot of shingle loss and roof repairs that were needing to be done. So even outside of your typical hurricane season, we just have a really windy area. Right now we're probably at like 30 mile an hour winds sustained right on the water. So make sure that your roofs do get windstorm inspection so you can actually get this certified, and then you can file it and get your insurance all squared away. Give us a call at 956-264-2477. If you have any questions about windstorm inspections, if you want to know a little bit more why it's important, and also if we can just help you out, give us a call and we'll get you as much information as we can.